Hey, Dustin Tibbetts here, financial advisor with Jazz Wealth Managers. I want to do a really simple, sort of clean video today talking about how I want you to get your mind right like Warren Buffett does. So we're going to kind of get into a little bit of something here that I think a lot of the older people don't even realize about the younger investors. Now, we work with a lot of younger investors, and it's occurring to me that a lot of you never have ever seen the markets fall. If you're of a certain age, then basically the markets have been straight up for your entire investing life, and you're in for a big shock if the markets ever have even a small down year. So I want to kind of prepare you for that, and I want you to start thinking like Warren Buffett with a little history lesson. So in 2008, if you weren't lucky enough to experience that, that was a scary time. There were so many weird things going on. Literally, people thought the world was going to end, at least the financial world. So what Warren Buffett did, basically while laughing at everybody, is he took everything that he had and he went out and started buying up everything. Buying homes for pennies on the dollar. Now he rents them out. He's got a whole fund, basically, that you've probably seen their sort of rental property company. They just rent out all these homes that they bought for pennies on the dollar. He went out and bought stocks. He was constantly on TV saying, I'm buying this, I'm buying that. Big stakes in big banks, big stakes in big companies, because he knew this is just part of the game. He had been through other types of these cycles, and he knew the world doesn't end. It's just a scary moment, and it's a time to buy at a discount. So if you have over 10 years left to retire, then this market rally that we're currently experiencing, it's not your rally, right? It doesn't matter to you. If it goes up another 5 years, what does it matter, right? You're not going to do anything with the money anyways. So what I want you to prepare for is if and when the markets fall, that's an opportunity. I want you to think like Warren Buffett and think, whatever I have, I'm going to gobble up stuff at discounted prices. Now, I want you to think in terms of every other thing on the planet. So when you go to a car dealership, if the price of the car keeps getting traded at a discount, well, that's a good deal. You get excited about that. If you're trying to buy tickets to a football game and the ticket prices are going down, I don't know if that ever happens, but if that's the case, you get excited and you try to buy them at a discount. Well, for some reason, when the stock market goes down, we all want to run for the hills because in our minds we think the possibility is it goes to zero. Well, think about that. If the stock market went to zero, and I'm not saying that it's not possible, but it's never happened. If the stock market went to zero, wouldn't we all have other problems to think about versus how much money our retirement accounts had? The point is you can't invest as if the stock market's going to zero. When things fall, you've got to think excited. You've got to get in there and think, whatever I can contribute, now I'm going to keep doing this on a consistent basis because I'm buying at a discount. And if you have a long time until you retire, well then the next market rally, that's the one that you want. You're buying now for the next one. So although we don't want to try to time the markets, that's proven to be unsuccessful, we want to know that when it falls, then we go to work. Now, it's important that you buy the right investments. When the markets do fall, you can't just go out and kind of buy everything. None of us have that kind of money. It's important that we buy the correct investments that make the most use of every single dollar you have to invest. A lot of our clients can only put in $10 a week, $20 a week, or something like that. And so we want to make sure that that money is being used in the most efficient way possible. If you need help with that, then of course, please visit jazzwealth.com. You can click Chat with Jazz and leave me a message or set up a time that works best for you to talk with me. I'm happy to reach out to you and speak directly to you. Or if you just want to get started, go to jazzwealth.com and click Invest Now. Well, I hope you liked that video, and if so, then there may be another one up there that you're interested in. If you're thinking of opening or transferring a retirement account from somewhere else, click our logo over here and that'll take you to our website to get started. Or you can then click Chat with Jazz, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and I hope to talk to you soon.